don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Realize I don't say I sent you. You getting mad, I'm sitting back, I'm fucked up, I'm getting trash. Gotta go watch 2 gold chains and I go real like you know. Man, I rap like it's loaded. I mean.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another amazing video. Thank you so much for watching. On this video, I'm going to be talking about Tesla stock and if it is time to buy now or hold off until after earnings. Now, all of this is my own personal opinion. If you think opposite than what I'm about to say, that's fine. That's your opinion. I respect that. It's just how you're supposed to respect all of this information and video that I'm about to show every single one of you guys and my plan here in the near future. If you guys don't know what option contracts are, then hit the books, hit Google, or take my class. I do offer a class about option contracts in case you want to know and learn how to trade options. Just hit me up on Telegram or Twitter, CryptoAudiKing, and send me a message. We'll find a date and time and I will teach you the basics, concepts, enough to get in and out, everything you got to know. And hopefully by then you'll be a pro. No guarantees, it just depends on you if you take it serious or not. Okay, so these trending lines, the supports and resistance, I've been having these for a very hot minute. So ever since I did this video, I drew this flag on there and the upward channel on the bottom part of the RSI, and this was when the 12th or something like that. And I said on here that if this breaks, it's going to either break to the upside and retest resistance, or it's going to go down and retest support way down here. You guys can go back to my previous video. I think it's like I'm watching these two stocks video or something like that. And I have these exact lines. I have not moved them at all. So all this movement that you see here was not on that video. And even this little blob that you see here, I drew it in that video and it's exactly how it is and everything. I have not messed it with it at all. So in the video I said, you know, if this fails, it is gonna come back down and retest the support level down in the bottom, and eventually we will bounce and just hover around this area. This was just a little example, but I said we were just gonna hover around this area, which that is exactly what we are doing right now. It isn't perfect, but you guys got the point that it was just gonna, you know, go up and down in price until earnings. Now it touched perfectly into the support level. It did have a small little fake out, but it ended up going back up. We had a bullish cross on the 1334. I have all these lines, well, not all of these lines, but I don't like having 20,000 lines on my screen. It gives me a headache and I hate it. All I'm using is a 13 and the 34 close on the MA as well as the RSI. And the crossings will just let me know. For example, right here, that's a bearish cross, and that's where I know it's gonna go down, and I just get a put position on my contract and I will make money. And let's see, a bullish cross would be, I think, let's see, where else? Right here is a bullish cross. That's how I knew I would need to get long position, and I rode it all the way up. It's just, I'm not gonna say it's easy money, but once you get the concept, it's just in and out quick. You know when to get in, when to get out, and whether you're gonna get a put position or a call position. But right now it seems like we are getting a bearish cross on, at least on the 30-minute chart we are. So tomorrow, I think because of the news coming out that Tesla increases their prices, tomorrow we're probably gonna head a little bit down again, trying to retest the support level. I think I'm gonna go ahead and redraw my lines. So I think we're probably just gonna retest a little bit, not as far as we did over here, but I think we're gonna go somewhere around in this area. About 635 is what I want to see that it touch at least before earnings, but eventually I expect a small pump, not all the way over here, but definitely a small pump into earnings. But we will sell off, about 65% sure we'll sell off during the earnings and all that stuff, unless it does something super crazy, like earnings beats by a crazy amount of expectations, or big news comes out and it just shoots it all the way up. That's the only reason, that's the only way I see it going all the way up. But other than that, if that doesn't happen, I do expect it to come back down. there's a lot of things that you got to keep in factor, man, like the sales, how much revenue, profit, whatever Elon Musk tweets, that puts a lot of effect into the stock market of Tesla. Just like how Trump was just tweeting, and any little tweet he had, it affected the market. Any sector, it just got affected, both negative or positive, whichever one it was. The RSI looks pretty good. Let's see, I'm gonna go ahead and draw the RSI. It is about there, so it's touching decently, not too bad. There is a trend line that I see happening right there also. So the RSI is going to bounce at about 37, which it is about 40 right now, and hopefully head up to where it was at this little high right here of about 70. So that's where that topped off, at least on this small little trend. That's where it topped off, and it started going even lower. But that's my prediction. I do think it's going to have, I think, 2 more drops here on support, and eventually bounce back into the high resistance of about the 693 area. But if this support right here does not hold, guys, what is this, like 628, 630 area? Expect more downside. If you expect Tesla to go down, then I would say about there. Well, no, that's not even a good line, actually. Give or take, right here would be somewhere where bulls would probably start coming on down and start purchasing a little bit. But worst case scenario, if something really bad happens, 591 would be the worst case scenario. Moderate scenario, 609. But I do expect this support to hold quite good throughout the near future. I say the ads. I'm using TradingView, by the way. I've always used this. It works really good. If you guys want to use TradingView, I'll leave down the description, the link down in the description below. Sorry, it's late. I need to go to bed. But it tested resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, pretty much 5 times. This wick touched it 5 times, and it failed to break through. That's why you saw this sell-off right here. And eventually it will try to retest it again. But if it does not manage to break through, we will see another sell-off like here, probably even worse. Tesla does great things. Tesla is a good long-term investment. I'm talking about years, like 4, 5, 10 years down the road. This is going to be worth another $2,000, like how it was last year. Was it last year? I'm pretty sure. And it's just going to be continuing doing great because it is breaking through technology for cars and you know, electric vehicles, trying to be as cheap as possible for you know, the average income person to be able to afford and drive one. And that's what I see this stock doing, just creating crazy gains for people, and hopefully we will be in here and making some really good gains. Another thing that I did want to mention is if you take my course, it's not really a course, it's just one class, you also get added into my group chat. There's 30 people on there under me and everything, and we just have fun, we just talk, we tell each other our positions, in and out positions, everything put together. We help each other out, and any questions, we are there, and I'm very active on there also. So let me know down below, guys, in the comment section what you guys think Tesla is going to do. Let me know if you are going to get a call position, put position for the earnings. Usually it's buy the rumor, sell the news. So, you know, buy the rumor that it's going to do really good, and eventually the news comes out and it's just going to fall down. I expect that right there happening. So, but anything can happen, guys. This is just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you're going to get in for a long position, a short position, and how much you think Tesla is going to go in about 5 years. So, guys, I'm going to go ahead and knock out. Take care. I'm out. Peace.
You don't get paid if you sleeping, man. You don't know where I come from. You don't know what I've been through. Real